Hello, today I'm going to be talking about my GoPro Hero 5 Session and if it's good for a mountain biker. To start off, the Hero 5 Session is probably the most simple GoPro to use. It only has two buttons and a very small screen to show settings and if you're recording. The GoPro Hero 5 Session can record in up to 4K and 48 frames per second and in Super View. But it can't record in 4K and Super View at the same time, but I recommend using Super View if you're using the GoPro for mountain biking. So the GoPro Hero 5 Session is pretty small, so it's quite light, so you can easily mount it on a helmet and it's not as heavy as the other GoPros, and you just put it on. Or because it's so small, it's easier to mount it in different places, like you can put it down in there and that would probably get a better view than if it was just on the top of your helmet. But I found the best way to get footage if you're mountain biking is to use a chest mount, because you can have it gets the perfect angle, like between the handlebars, just looking straight ahead. You can angle it so you can see like more above the handlebars, or you can see a little bit down towards the top tube a bit. But I recommend staying like kind of top of the handlebars at the bottom of the screen, and so you can see kind of the trail ahead. The footage taken by it is pretty smooth, with the exception of over super rough parts of trails like big rock gardens or roots. It will also jolt if you occasionally jump or land flat on a jump or drop. The sound quality is pretty good, but it's not the greatest. Overall, I think the GoPro Hero 5 Session is a great action camera, even without things like a screen. You can find them for sale on secondhand on websites like eBay, if you're looking for one. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing and have a great day.